Shilpa Shetty and this is the art of balance.
Sit on the mat with your back straight in and your legs stretched out in front of you and parallel to each other. Place your palms next to your hips on the floor with the fingers pointing forward. Flex your feet and press your heels. Breathe normally. Hold this position for 15 seconds. Sit all on the floor. Sit, bones grounded, with your legs together, straight in front of you and hands on the knee. Bend your right leg, placing the heel of your foot against your perineum and the sole of your foot against the inside of your left eye. Inhale, reach the arms up. Without shrugging. Exhale and hinge forward from the hip towards the straight leg. Hold the knee shin photos with both hands as you lead the stretch from the chest. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Inhale and exhale to deepen the stretch. Do not pull from the head or arms and instead focus on maintaining an almost flat back as you lead from the chest. Come back up to sitting position. Bend your left leg and place the left foot just like the right leg. Inhale, raise the arms and rotate torso slightly towards the straight leg. Exhale, bend forward and try to touch the toes. Mid-back should not round excessively. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Square the right shoulder in line with the left shoulder. Sit on the floor. Sit, bones grounded, with the legs together, straight in front of you, feet relaxed and hands on the knees. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips and reach arms towards the toes. If you cannot reach the toes, hold your shins and ankles and lead the stretch from the chest and not forehead. Keep legs activated and feet flexed and push the heels away from you. And try to deepen the stretch with every exhalation. Inhale, raise your hands up and come back to the starting position and relax. Lie on your back with straight legs and flexed feet. Arms rest on the side. Engage your abs before you lift the legs straight up. Straight legs are difficult to lift off the floor when the knees, and then straighten them over the hips. Engage your abs to lift the hips up. Support them with your palms. Slowly walk the elbows closer to each other. Engage your abs. Squeeze the glutes as you hold the legs. Straight up, toes pointed. Keep the shoulders relaxed and length of the neck long. Ensure no weight is felt on the neck and is felt on the shoulders. Engage your abs as you slowly roll the spine down. Keep yourself supported with the palms till the back is safely flat on the floor. Sit tall in Vajrasana, placing the palms on the thighs just above the knees. Keep shoulders stacked above the hips and do not lean forward. Inhale, raise the arms overhead, shoulder width apart and elbow straight. Exhale and bend forward from the hips. Torso relaxes on the thighs, palms face upwards, and one side of your cheek is on the mat. Inhale and roll the spine up back to starting position. Try to relax with every breath. Do not tense the neck or shoulders. Feel the lower back relax. Keep a pillow between the hips and the heels if there is a big gap between them. There should be no discomfort in the knee or ankles.
Yay, and there is good news. We are halfway there. Stay positive, determined and committed to your health goal and get the most out of this wonderful body.
Sit with the legs straight in front of you. Bring the right leg over the left eye and the left leg over the right thigh to come into Padmasana. If this is uncomfortable, sit in Sukhasana. Interlock the palms behind the back. Inhale. Exhale as you bend forward. Keep the spine tall as you touch the forehead to the floor. Hold this position for 15 seconds and breathe normally. Keep your hips grounded. Continue to breathe normally during this asana. Inhale and come into the starting position. Sit in Sukhasana or Padmasana with your back straight, hands on your thighs in the Dhyana Mudra. Close your eyes and mouth and breathe normally. Inhale deeply, slowly, silently, until lungs filled with maximum air, and exhale completely, slowly and silently. Then rub your hands against each other and place it on your eyes. Feel the warmth. Open your eyes and relax. Padmasana. Those who cannot sit in a meditation posture may sit against the wall with the legs outstretched or in a chair, which has a straight back. Keep the head and spine upright, relax your whole body and close your eyes. Your hands should be in the no-strip position. Hold the fingers of the right hand in front of the face. Rest the index and middle fingers gently on the eyebrow center. Both fingers should be relaxed. The thumb is above the right nostril and the ring finger above the left. These two digits control the flow of breath in the nostrils by alternately pressing on one nostril, blocking the flow of breath, and then the other. Close the right nostril with the thumb and breathing through the left nostril. Do not strain. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Release the pressure of the thumb on the right nostril, and the time for inhalation and exhalation should be equal. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. At the end of inhalation, close the right nostril, open the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Meditation, posture preferably. Inhale through the right nostril, keeping the same count. Open the left nostril and exhale through the left nostril. Lie flat on the back with your arms comfortably away from your body, palms facing upward. A thin pillow of folded cloth may be placed under the head to prevent discomfort. Let the fingers curl up naturally, move your feet slightly apart to a comfortable position, and close your eyes. Release all the stress from your muscles and relax. Feel the relaxation. Focus on your muscles. Relax your toes, heels, ankles, your shin, your curves. Your knees, back side of your thighs, front side of your thighs. Relax your hips, relax your abdomen, your root chakra, the base of your spine, mid-back, your stomach, your upper back, your upper chest, shoulders, arms, your elbows, your forearms, your wrist, your fingers and your palms. Relax your neck muscles, your face, your chin, cheeks, lips, your nose, your ears, your eyes, and your forehead.
Hope this helped you achieve your peace of mind. It's time for me to sign off. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.